I'm Michael from TrainedParrot.com, and I'm watching Cockatiels and Galahs foraging by the highway. First they were up in a tree looking around, and then they flew down to the ground to forage. They stay on the ground for a good 2-3 minutes, but if something scares them off, they fly back up into the tree, watch around, make sure the danger is gone, and then they fly back down. It's really exciting to get to watch them in their natural habitat feeding on grass roots. Ground foraging is a natural behavior for cockatoos and cockatiels. So here's some of my footage. Enjoy. Visiting Bird World in Corunda. It's gonna be tough. Just a little more to go.